Hey, what's up, YouTube? Willington here, and welcome to another sound battle where we let speakers speak for themselves. In the battlefield, today we have the Pulse 3 going up against the Pulse 2. The speakers will be playing at 60 and 100% volume. I'll be using a high quality binaural microphone, so please use headphones for the best experience. With that said, let's hear the speakers speak.
Je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats, il est toreros, et veut s'entendre, pour plaisir, ils ont les combats. Le cirque est plein ce jour de fête, le cirque est plein d'automates. Le spectateur est dans la tête, le spectateur c'est au bel aggrappe la course.
Big dollar bill, stay with a paper trail, stay with 100 mil, big house in the hills, ice cubes on my neck, stay where the money at, in the back, county stacks, new bands I'm buying that, all I see is green, money all around me, Bobby on the throne, yeah, your girl be the queen bee, self-made bitch, yeah, I buy my own shit. Whitney, I got plenty Rolex on my wrist, got a stash in Brazil, yeah, I got a couple mil, yeah, call me the Don, calling shots on ill, got the house up in Philly, where it get a little chilly, got a condo in Toronto with my millies, stack no millions.
So the Pulse 3 is a little bit louder than the Pulse 2. The difference is not huge, but it's there, most especially at maximum volume. And with the fact that the Pulse 3 has 360 sound, that means that it will be equally loud in all directions, which is not the case with the Pulse 2. The Pulse 3 has a higher power output, and you can clearly hear that difference in its sound. There is a little bit of better bass performance from the Pulse 3, but the difference is not as big as I was expecting. The biggest improvement for me here is that the Pulse 3 has less distortion while reproducing lower bass notes. But as far as hitting lower frequency notes, it's only at maximum volume that you notice the Pulse 3 doing a slightly better job. The highs on the Pulse 2 sound slightly better if you're right in front of it, and that's because both the drivers are pumping right at you. But as you move away to the back, the Pulse 3 starts sounding way better. And due to 360 sound, the Pulse 3 is more room-filling and has a wider sound stage. But on the other hand, I feel like there's a little bit of bass spill into the mids on the Pulse 3. Let me know if you feel the same way or not. Generally speaking, there's a slight improvement in sound quality on the Pulse 3 compared to the 2, but it's not that big. It didn't really reach my expectations at least. Like I said in the previous video, design, 360 sound, and IPX7 rating are the main changes here. But that's just me, and sound is so subjective. I would like to hear what you have to say about this too in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, like the video if you liked it. I love your faces, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.